This video shows you how to connect to different external data sources in RStudio from within a Watson Studio project. First, you need your credentials for the external data source. In this case, it's a Cloud Object Storage service in IBM Cloud. From any project, you can launch the RStudio IDE. Now load the script from the Files tab, which will open in the Source window. You can see that the values for the variables where your credentials are stored are already set in this script. In this case, you are connecting via JDBC. Now you're ready to run the script. The first few lines are commented out because the IBM DBR and RJDBC packages were previously installed. Then the library function loads the packages. Next, specify the JDBC driver to use, and then use dbconnect to make a connection to the DB2 Warehouse database using your credentials. Okay, so the connection was successful. Now you can send a query to the car performance data table and store the results in a data frame. The head function displays the first several rows of the data frame. Now let's take a look at connecting to a Cloud Object Storage. First, load the AWS package using the library function. Then set the environment variables with the Cloud Object Storage credentials from IBM Cloud. Now that you are successfully connected to the Cloud Object Storage instance, use the bucket list function to see a list of the buckets, and then use the getObject function to get the churn CSV file from the SBR bucket. You can also upload files from your working directory to the Cloud Object Storage. In this case, you're uploading the kidney disease CSV file to the SBR bucket. You'll see the new uploaded file using the getBucket function. You can use the Cloud Simplifier package to fetch data and store data in a data frame. This example fetches the precipitation CSV file. The names function lists all of the column names. Then append a $sign along with the column name to see the values in that column. This shows the list of countries included in the precipitation data. This shows the list of countries included in the precipitation data. Or use the mean function to see the average precipitation in 2009. Next, let's take a look at connecting to a Cloudant service. First, load the SOFA package using the library function. Then connect to the Cloudant service using your credentials from IBM Cloud. The ping function just verifies the connection. So you can then list all of the databases stored in this Cloudant service instance. You can also list all of the documents in a database. And get a specific document, in this case, the llama document. Use dbIndex to see a list of the indexes in the AnimalDB database. And then you can query the database to see a list of all animals with a maximum weight greater than 2,000 pounds. This was a quick introduction to loading data from external data sources in RStudio. Find more videos on RStudio in the Cloud Pak for Data as a Service documentation.